today's video, we're going to be doing hot dog burnt ends. Alright guys, so we have here some Nathan's Big Boys of hot dogs. I got 4 in here. So normally how you do the hot dogs burnt ends that we've seen before, and the one that I did, is you smoke them like this. And then you cut them up and you put them in there after they're smoked. But normally when you do burnt ends, like when we do the pork belly burnt ends, they come in slabs, but we cut them in cubes. Now this one's, we're going to go ahead and cut them in cubes like we do on the burnt ends. And we're going to see how they come out. I'm pretty sure they're going to come out really good. So we're going to get them into nice little sizes like these. So we're using mayonnaise as a binder. And then we're going to be using our Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. Alright, so now they're like this. We're going to put these in our little pan right here. We're going to add some mayonnaise to get a nice binder on them so we can put our rub on them. And you guys can use any kind, you can use mustard also. I thought I had mustard, but I didn't, so we went with mayonnaise. People use also mayonnaise as a binder. So we can make sure we get these nice and coated with the mayonnaise. And we're going to let it rain. And then give them a turn, make sure there's rub all over the hot dogs. And that's why you use a binder. See how the rub sticks to it? It just helps. So we're going to transfer them to one of these cooking grates. And we're going to put them like this. Alright, so there you have it. So how are we going to cook this? We're going to put our pit boss at 250 degrees. We're going to let them ride for 30 minutes. I'm going to come and check them in 30 minutes, see how they look. If we're going to add another 30 after that or not. So first off, 250, let it ride for 30 minutes, come back, check them, and we'll go from there. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is at 250. I'm going to put these right here on the side. And we'll be back in 30 minutes to check on them. All right, it's been 30 minutes. And they're looking good. I would say I will leave them there for another 30. All right, these are done. Oh my God, they look amazing. They've been there for 1 hour. And now we're gonna take them out. Look at that. That looks great. And we'll be back. All right, guys, so here we have it, and they look amazing. Oh my God. They just, wow. So 1 hour in there. Now we're gonna put them in here and we're gonna add some barbecue sauce. All right guys, so now that we have our hot dog burnt ends in our pan, we're gonna go ahead and add some barbecue sauce. We got today, we're gonna be using Famous Dave's Sweet and Zesty. This is one of my top barbecue sauce. If you guys never been to Famous Dave's is a good barbecue spot. It's really good. I like it. Their sauces are really good. So we're gonna go ahead and put some sauce in here. All right, enough to cover the whole thing. I'm gonna give them a little turn, a little mix in here, just like that. We're gonna be adding just 2 little things of butter. And then a little bit of brown sugar. And so now we're just going to mix it in there. We're going to put these back in there. We're going to let them ride for 1 hour. It should be good enough for 1 hour. At about the 30-minute mark, I'm going to come back in there, give them a little mix, and then come back another 30. And they should be done. So that being said, let's go ahead and put these back on our pit boss. All right, we're putting these bad boys back in there. There you guys go. We'll be back in exactly 30 minutes to give it a mix. All right, it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna give these bad boys a little stir here. All right, we'll be back. All right, it's been a total of 1 hour. And it's time to take these guys out. We'll be back. Welcome back. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. So here you have it. They look great. They smell great. One of the best barbecue sauce out there. One of the best rubs out there. Can't go wrong. Hot dog burn ends are really good, really cheap. If you guys want to make more, you can make more. Same time, same everything that we did. Just a lot more hot dogs. If you guys want to make a lot more, it'll be the same process. Let's go ahead and give these bad boys a try, because I cannot wait. Look at that. Just so good. Cheers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Using a really good quality, like I said, we used Nathan's hot dog. It was the big boys, you know, and so you can taste the quality of the hot dog, with the rub, with the barbecue sauce, the smoke flavor in it. Wow, this is really good. Let me know what you guys think. This could be a great hit. If you guys want to do this, a little get together, a little party, can't go wrong. If you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.